Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up higher yesterday, led by soybeans 30 cents higher to the upside yesterday. So big move to the upside yesterday in soybeans. You also had corn and wheat higher as well. Harvest delays, as we mentioned yesterday, rain throughout the majority of the Midwest. Also cool this past weekend. That delayed harvest a little bit, therefore we're seeing the markets jump higher. Also, you've got some short covering ahead of Friday's USDA WASDE report. So a couple of factors and some other things why we were higher yesterday. We're mixed this morning with corn and beans lower while wheat is slightly higher. We did get crop progress out yesterday, so let's go ahead and go over that. So we're going to take a look at this here. We're going to go over good to excellent ratings first. Corn remained unchanged, came in at 74% good to excellent. Beans increased 1%, so came in at 73% good to excellent. That's one higher than last week. Corn mature came in at 77%. It's a 17% increase from last week. Beans dropping leaves came in at 83%. That's a 14% increase from last week. And this is winter wheat emerged. Came in at 28%. It's a 14% increase from last week. And then harvest progress, 17% complete for corn. It's only a 5% increase, and we're well behind the 5-year average there. Of course, a couple of those years we were severely dry and harvesting early. But slow start to the corn season, and a couple of factors, obviously cool and wet like we were last week, and also it's a really big crop for what everybody's singing, so it takes a little longer to harvest regardless. Beans came in at 20% complete. As far as harvest goes, that's a 10% increase from last week. And then this is winter wheat plantings. I didn't put the P there for plantings, but came in at 56% complete versus that's an increase of 13% from last week. So moving forward, got the WASDE report coming up on Friday. We'll definitely give you the estimates on that on Thursday. We'll revisit them on Friday pre-report. Also keep your eye on the weather forecast. Right now, it's for the upper Midwest at least. Not too many concerns. Some of the lower Midwest, you've got some spotty showers here and there. That could delay it a little bit, but otherwise, the upper Midwest should be rolling quite along unimpeded for this next week at least. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.